Westermans here with a purchase of a PEI seam welder for a customer in Ireland with a chiller. Machine is a 80 kVA and you see brand new, arm length, not sure on that one, possibly about 700 or 800 in depth. This machine has arrived from Italy and now will be packed and sent to Ireland. Do many new machines, standard spot welders, resistance spot welders, projection welders, and of course seam welders, both for longitudinal and circumferential, but get my words out. More details can be found on our website. Some of the machines are in stock, but special machines like this are built to order only. If you'd like more details on this or any other machine, please look at westermans.com, where you'll find PDFs on spot, seam and other welding equipment, plus 1 or 2 machine tools and plasmas. Thank you for looking.